product name is NMD Endo Activator, or a sonic irrigator you may call it. So let's go through the product features quickly and see what it has. So this is the main unit. It may also called as like a air scaler, and it comes with 10 polymer tips and with a wrench. So all these tips are 28 mm length, and there are different markings in this tip starting from 20 mm, 21, 22, 24, 25 and 26 right up till 28 mm. So you can choose your desired size. So you can just screw it up easily, and this wrench is here to tighten this up. And I don't have an exact tooth to show you with a microscope or something, but I've just created a small canal, sort of a model, an endo training block, just to demonstrate, and the small container over here to demonstrate the effectiveness of the tip. So this material, the tip material, is made up of a polymer material, and this is very useful and reliable for removal of residual tissue and dentine chips, and the forgiving material with the low risk of fracturing the tip or the tooth. And also it gives a closer approximation to the apex than a metal tip. So, and this scaler unit, it gives a vibration of 5000 Hertz to 6000 Hertz, and it creates three-dimensional movement, and the polymer material causes higher effective oscillation in the irrigant that triggers two cleaning effects. One is the acoustic streaming, and another is the cavitation. And this gives you an advantage of the three-dimensional movement for the irrigant activation, and also it extends the reach through the activation process, and the physical effects intensify the cleaning process. So let's have a small demo here which will give you an idea. And all it needs is a regular 2-hole connection, so it can easily adapt to your chair, any sort of chair. If it's a 4-hole, we have a 4-hole outlet. If it's a 2-hole, the Indian style, we have a 2-hole outlet. So just attach where your aerator runs. You can switch off the water supply, as we don't need the water supply, and tighten the coupling, and just going. Can you see this effect? See the vibration and the effect it creates. You can just do it like about couple of seconds, not much. If you want to decrease the speed, you can decrease the air pressure and the speed would be reduced. And the proper way to do it in up and down movement. So this gives a very good cleaning effect. So that's it for now. If you're interested to buy this product, you can buy it on our website, mydentalstock.com, and you can subscribe to our channel if you like the video. That's it for now. Thank you so much. Over and out. Bye.